Hello, this is Christophe Tillman, and today I would like to show how to create a new project, import some data, so you can start using Dream easily. So to create a new project, please select the File menu and create new project. You can as well choose in the drop-down menu, create a new project. When you do so, you have to specify the project name, and I suggest that you put your project into an empty, dedicated empty folder. So I will first select my empty folder, this one, and I will give him a name, new project. Here we are. The project has been loaded. This is the name, this is the location, and you see that it's empty. There is no workspace saved on that project. If I want to import some data, I open workspace and I will click on the import button here. I have to choose the file that I want to import. So let's select this file, and you see that the import process is quite quick. 5 vectors has been detected. If I click on one of them, I have a preview on the right. You see that just after the name you can visualize the unit. So if for some reason the unit is not correct, or if you want to change it, you just select the vector and edit. You can change the name of that vector and you can change the unit. Actually, the units are all from the same category. If you want to change the category, you simply do a right click here on the category, on the unit, and then choose the appropriate category, for example, area. And then you select in the drop down which unit you want to use. Then confirm. Here we are. You see that there is a V mark in front of each vector, which means that when I click on import, all of them will be imported. If you don't want to import some of them, select them, right click and do not import. Like this. And finally, very important, it's always better to define a depth or a time reference. So in this case, I have a depth column, the first one, which represents the reference. And to specify that I want to use it as the reference, I just have to right click, use as reference. You see here, R. Okay, once ready, just click import into Dream. Here we are, it's very quick. You see that the vectors appears here on my workspace. It's normal because it's a depth-based workspace and I have imported a vector with a depth-based reference. Okay, I don't need the import tool anymore. I will close it. And if we look at the workspace, you can now select one vector, and from the top zone of the list, you drag and drop the vector to visualize them. Here we are. If we look at the folder containing your project, you will find several files. The first one is the project.dream, new project.dream, which is the file that contains all the information about your project, the structure, the list of vectors, and everything you need. And then you have some binary files that contain the data themselves, one file per vector. Here we are. You just have to try by yourself now. Enjoy and have a good day.